Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game Dead Island 2. The game is crashing to desktop without any error code. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, click on Start menu and type in Advanced System Settings. Now click on the option View Advanced System Settings, and under the Advanced tab, click on the option Settings. Now again choose Advanced tab, and under the Virtual Memory, click on the option Change. Now from here, we are going to change the VRAM for your game. Uncheck the first option, automatically manage paging sizes. Now in whichever drive your game is installed, C, D, E, F, select that particular drive and choose the option custom size. Now in the initial size, you need to type in the available RAM into your PC in MB. For example, in my system, if 16 GB of RAM is available, I'll multiply it by 1024 and the value is 16384. Now in maximum RAM, you need to type in 4 times the available RAM. So this is our available RAM. I'll multiply it by 4 and the value is 65536. Once you've done so, click on the option Set. Now hit the OK button. Now go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, click on Start menu and type in Power Options. Now click on the first option, Edit Power Plan. Now here, click on the option Power Options to open its settings, and from the left pane, click on the option Create a Power Plan. Now here, you need to select the second option, Power Saver, and hit the next option to continue and make this as your default power plan. Click on the option Create. Now we have selected my custom plan. Now go ahead and try to launch the game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step, you need to launch your Epic Games launcher. Now in the launcher, go to a library, click on 3-dot icon next to your game and click on the option Manage. Now under the launch options, toggle it on and type in -DX11. Once you have done so, close it and now relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue. And if you are able to launch the game, right in the settings menu, you need to disable the FSR option and you will be able to play the game without any kind of crashing issue. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.